Hola! Welcome to Spanish class. This is Miss Baz, and I'm going to give you the instructions for today's work. First, I want to welcome you to the class, and I'm going to try to make videos every time we have class, so you have like your instructor at home. All right. So this is our first plan, and for your first part, you have an actividad inicial. What is that, Mrs. Baz? Actividad inicial is your warm-up. For that, I'm going to give you a paper. Let me show you the paper. This is the paper. So every one of you is going to have one of these. If you don't receive one of these the first class, please let me know and I'll get you one. You're going to put your name right here and your class, your grade level. And every day you're going to complete your warm-up. When you complete your warm-up, I'm going to put a stamp. This is my stamp. So I put a stamp right there. You put your date, the date of the warm-up, stamp, and then you will have your points for that. So every day you have to do the same, so we can add the numbers, the points, every 3 weeks, and you will get a grade for that. So that's what's happening for the first the first day. You're just gonna receive the paper because you won't have a warm-up. The warm-ups are usually related to the class prior to the class that you are taking now. So it's from the prior class. You have a question or two or something that you need to do. You show me, and then I give you your stamp. Your word for today. Since I want to know you better, I created this project or activity that is called About Me. And the instructional video that I'm recording now is going to be here. Oh, we're going to do this during class. So there are 2 guides for you to follow to complete this work. And I put the links here so you can go to the guide. So when you click here and When I Grow Up, you're going to have this. This is not something you need to print. It's something for you to just have the idea of what you're going to do. So you're going to put there what you want to be when you grow up. This is my job. What house would you like to live in? Or apartment? I don't know. What car would you like to drive? What pet would you like to have? And all that is when you grow up. And you're going to complete this phrase. If I could change the world, I would. And then you complete that sentence. So that's one part. The other part is going in only one paper. And one slide. It's called What Makes Me Tick. So what keeps me moving? And then you're going to say your name and what you dream about. I dream about, or my dream is, what inspires me. Somebody inspires me because my cause. I want to fight for this. That's my cause. What I love the most. Oh, what I love the most is to do this. And my favorite thing to do is, so you just need to complete those sentences. I also put here, this is your points, the points you're going to get for this. But I also put an example on how to do this. So this is an example using Mrs. Baz. So what makes me tick? And then I put what inspires me, what I dream about, my cause, what I love the most, and my favorite thing to do. And then I have one slide for each one of the things that I want to have when I grow up. Of course, I'm already grown up, but you are going to put one slide for each one of them. So look at this. What makes me tick goes in one slide, all of them, 5 things that you're going to complete there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 more slides to complete the When I Grow Up. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to have here what you had to submit. This is the points, what you had to submit, You're going to find your due date here, and then you're going to find a button right here that you push so you can submit your URL. Of course, I will be around in the classroom helping you if you need help. And if you are missing this class for any reason, you can contact me on an email or ask me any questions you have. I'll see you during class. Adios.